what do you see this kind of forum will help the world?
The Hanwha Forum has the potential of being an international platform that allows not only Asian countries to talk, but it can also be very interesting for countries that sit north of here. That means the former Soviet Union and Eastern Europe. Sustainability and sustainable development is something that is relevant for all of us. And I think an international forum that allows for an exchange not only with public authorities but also private sector, I think is important and very much needed.
In China, I think we are the first group to establish this kind of dialogue platform. Yeah. So how do you see this kind of trend will influence the future?
Sustainable development is for everybody, and that means that we need a number of different forums. And we have public forums on the United Nations, we have government to government, but you need a forum like Hanwha, which is a broader based forum that has academia, it has private sector, it has provincial authorities, and it also has, you can say, public servants like myself participating. It is this mixed that will create a good dialogue between expertise and between more general principles of sustainable development.
So what do you think you can do for this forum and for the world in the future?
Yeah. My interest is to see whether I can bring participants from my part of the world, which is the former Soviet Union, and then also to see whether I can connect private sector with some of the activities that we have here in the Hanwha Forum. And I hope we can go beyond dialogue so we can maybe do concrete activities on the ground in various countries. Because there's great experience in China, there's also experience in my region, but there's a possibility for trade and technology. There's also a lot of information to be shared around disaster prevention. And if there's a disaster, maybe there's also an opportunity in the rebuild. Because unfortunately, we have to face the facts, and the facts are that we can't be faced with disaster.
Yeah. So what kind of project you think maybe in the future we can do it in a solid way?
I think three things. I think number one, technology projects, but especially smaller scales. Secondly, building green buildings, green cities, this kind of idea. And thirdly, in disaster preparedness, we can exchange some principles for how to do it.